In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We're going to move from a simple Google search into Notion's homepage, then sign in and use the filter control on a database view. This is especially helpful if you're managing support requests or organizing tasks and need a quick, repeatable way to narrow down what you see. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Notion and press Enter. This is the fastest way to reach the official site if you don't already have it bookmarked. You'll see a list of results. Take a second to scan the page so you can spot the genuine entry and avoid any ads or lookalike pages. Click the official result that reads Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. That wording helps you confirm you're in the right place. The official listing will direct you to Notion's homepage, where you'll see information about their AI workspace, productivity features, and templates. If you prefer, you can always type the site address directly into your address bar in the future to save a step. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button, usually at the top right of the page. Click Login. This will bring up Notion's sign-in flow. Use your usual sign-in method to access your workspace. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected for a quick confirmation. If you have multiple workspaces, select the one you want to work in after you're signed in. And if you use additional verification, keep your authentication method handy so the process is smooth. After you're in, navigate to the database page your team uses for support or task tracking. When the page opens, look near the top of the database view for the control labeled Filter. Click Filter. This panel is where you refine what appears in the list without changing any of the underlying data. You'll typically see options tied to your database's properties, things like status, assignee, priority, or date. Adjusting these options narrows the entries to only what's relevant to you, for example, limiting the view to open items, items assigned to you, or items updated recently. If the list suddenly appears empty, it usually means the current filter is too strict. Clearing or loosening a condition will bring items back into view. Keep filters focused so your view stays fast and readable. That's it. You've searched for Notion, opened the official site, logged in, and used Filter to focus your database. For quicker access next time, bookmark your workspace and the specific database page you use most. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.